inspection test 2022 is conducted in all over India at the same time. Now the last important task, that is the mode of packing test materials, is very important. If you forget this, any packing materials, anything is jumbling, it will lead to the big problem. In order to avoid such problems, we have to pack it properly. That is the packet A and packet B are very important. These two packets are very important for me. The packet A contains the answer sheet, that is OMR sheet. Now how to pack that OMR sheet? The materials are already kept here for the packing the OMR sheet, that is answer sheet. You feel that image that these are the answer sheet, that is OMR sheet, and here is the zip lock polythene bag. It is called zip lock polythene bag. You place this OMR sheet in a zip polythene lock bag properly, and after placing that OMR sheet, all the sheets of the center, you can lock it again the zip poly bag, zip lock poly bag. It is a lock one. You have to lock it properly. So here it is written that the zip lock poly bag AP22 for OMR sheet. Total sheets, here also we have to write that how many OMR sheets are placed. Suppose here OMR sheets are 120, then you have to write 120 like this. And after completing this task, don't forget to write here. And after completing this writing matter on this zip lock, you place it properly in the blue envelope. The blue envelope is given for this keeping the OMR sheet. Then this, after zip lock polythene bag keeping the OMR sheet, this you should place in the blue envelope. The blue envelope properly. You can gum it, just apply it this Fevicol which is given to you, and after applying the Fevicol, the cello tape also you can put it cello tape, this cello tape also like this, and after this and this. So after completing this, then we have to write the whatever the things are there, that is center number, details we have to, particulars we have to write it, the center number, center name, total number of plastic packets, total number of plastic packets means zip, up to 500 OMR sheet we can put in the zip lock bags, zip lock polythene bags we can keep 500, after 500 you can keep in another zip lock polythene bag. So total number of plastic packets 1 here, 1 only I kept here. This is polythene bag in the blue envelope 1. Roll numbers of the OMR sheets kept in the polythene cover already, whatever the roll numbers starting from this and ending up this from 2. In words also you can write it. Number of absentees you can write here. The number of OMR answer sheet packed plus the number of absentees should tally with the number of candidates registered at the center. That should be tallied. That present and how many are absent. The total in that center, the number should be tallied. The name and signature of the observer, that is CLO. Name and signature of the invigilators. Name and signature of the invigilators second, if it is there in the hall. Okay, in the packing, the 2 invigilator signature is needed as a witness. Name and signature of the center superintendent here. But in the new form, the principal signature is there. I think that is not there. Only the center superintendent signature is there. Wherever that in the place of principal JNV signature is there, the center superintendent signature is there. That is for packet A, because The principal will not be present in that center. You are the present, the center superintendent. So your signature should be there. But it is misprinted here, I think this year, 2022. Seal and signature. Then after this, keeping that polythene cover inside the blue and after writing the particulars, place this in the pulp board. These are called pulp board. Pulp board. Then you have to place in between the pulp board. Then tie it. Sir, tie it. Sir.
Like this.
Yeah, like this.
And tie it with.
Sir, tie it with thread. One single. So here also it is there. So you should place that in such a way that the edges of the blue envelope should not be damaged. This blue envelope should not be damaged. In such a way we have to place the blue envelope. Already I placed it and cut 1 minute, sir. Cut. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
Like this.
Like this you can tie it. Okay, this is the one top. After this you can place inside the cloth bag. You can stitch it stitchly, but it is a sample I am showing. But you can given the already we have given the cloth properly. You stitch it. It is a sample for you. After stitching it, seal it properly and other things. Taking this, you have to seal the things. Okay. Okay. All the seal you have to think is write the packet A. You can place that packet A slip here like this. Packet A after stitching and sealing it. Packet A. That is put the center stamp in the box given below. Whatever the suppose center stamp is given to you all, put the center stamp here and state you write it. Number of students appeared for JNVST. How many appeared? For the present only you have to write here. State, then district. That is packet A. Used answer OMR sheet. Number in figure. Suppose 120 is there. You write 120. Number in words 120. In words only. Number of packets 1. And signature of CLO, name and address. Signature of the center superintendent, name and address. Yes. Okay, this is the task over. You place it properly. This is all the sample we are showing to you, and this is the packet A.